Campfire season has arrived, which means it's time for a lean body s'mores pie. Start by choosing crust or no crust. You can use a pre-made one, these mini ones, or make your own. For your first layer, add into a food processor 2 ripe avocados, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 scoops of our delicious chocolate lean body protein shake drink mix, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 4 ounces of one of our chocolate lean body ready to drink protein shakes, and 4 tablespoons of some sugar-free syrup. Process until smooth. Add that layer into your dish or on top of your choice crust. For your second layer, mix together 1 cup of a high-protein vanilla Greek yogurt, 1.5 scoops of our vanilla lean body protein shake drink mix, and half a cup of marshmallow fluff. Add that layer on top of your first layer. Top it with some graham crackers and put it into the fridge overnight. If you like this one, don't forget to follow us for more lean body recipe ideas.